Yeah, man. We're coming in. We're coming in hot, baby. What is going on, guys? It is Monday. No bun. I had to brush my hair out, bro. I had the bun too long. I had to brush it out. No robe either. It's 1 minute Monday is what we're doing. I want to play some 1 minute chess. 1 minute really is a skill that if you get out of it, you won't play as well. And the more you play, then you can reach whatever peak you're going to reach. And they may actually... You could probably get better at 1 minute without studying chess. Just by timing, playing better, playing faster. I'm going to be playing you guys. My challenges are open, but I'm going to start... Oh, I think I just got a challenge. There's no way! Faster, 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 faster. He's going to trade. He should have. I'm taking this for sure. That was hanging. Hit it, hit it. He can come over. I'm losing it. That's okay. Just move. And I'm losing on time too. Wow. All right, yeah, he's equal on time. Okay, we're gonna try and do unrated today because this is not good. He's got so much time. Walked into the fork. I keep walking into more forks. I had to give myself some things to hide behind. I'm not resigning. He has 8 seconds. It's too much. Okay. Yeah. All right. Oh my. Okay, we got one. 1-1. It's got to be 1-0. I'm gonna try and change a command. Now let me see. There we go. I fixed it. I fixed the merch. Filevo! Filevo's good, guys. Filevo is a strong chess player. Here or here. Ah! No! My queen! Ah! Why would I do such a thing? Good. I'll go ahead and take this then. He likes the knight. I mean, I kind of like the knight too, actually. I should have took the pawn. There's multiple. Massive centralization. Get that centralization. Just do something. Do something smart. Here we go. Attack the pawns. There we go. It's all just too much. Pin this and take it. He's actually not in a bad spot. Got him. Good game for Levo. Hey, man. Pox Lita. Yo, what's up? How you doing, Pox? Good to see you, man. Welcome to the stream. Echoes, please, guys. Oh, dude, you're banned, brother. Hide. I got news for you, man. Echoes. You can't do that, man. You can't just walk in and promote your channel. It's just not how it works, and it's not going to help you. It's not going to help you, man. I know the desperation. You have to work really hard for years, and then you will have a channel. You can't just have it by poaching people's. It doesn't work like that. It won't help you. So the time you're wasting doing what you're doing now, go create better content, man. You will do so much better. The bishop's in a weird spot, and it's going to go to a weirder spot, and that's ooh, just get rid of it. Just get rid of it. Oh my god, he's moving fast. My queen's not working, so let's trade it off. Hit it. He had it. He had it. Dude. Der Schlockenspiel. Good game, dude. Good draw. Pox, yeah, man. It's in the pinned comment. Challenge me 1 minute, unrated. It could be rated. I really don't even care. I really don't even care, but I'd rather have unrated, but if you challenge me rated, it's fine. Light, how you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Bill Stevens, how you doing, dude? Good to see you, man. We are playing 1 minute. Now, see, people that would say, I want to play you. If you would send it, if it was already sent, you'd be playing me right now because no one's challenging me right now. This could be you, right? We have any friend requests? No requests right now. That's okay. Okay, I'm going in. I'm going to play the pool. What's this guy thinking about? He's probably trying to pull it up on Twitch. You're going to lose on time, dude. Dude, you spend too much time. You spend too much time. Looking. Whoa, there's no way. Folks, we just got a Twitch. That's Twitch, right? I mean YouTube sub. You gotta love the YouTube subs, folks. We're gonna make it Costello. Totally unafraid. And then we're gonna go. We're going, guys! The knight protects. He just spent way too much time. He spent too much time pulling the stream up, guys. Win the night, I guess. Now win a rook. Oh, wow. Put your pawn where it belongs. Good game, man. That was a good game. Brandon, if you were pulling up the stream, it's a 1-minute game. Don't pull up the stream. Sean Bendella, thank you for the sub on YouTube. You absolutely love to see it. We got one, guys. We got a 1-minute challenge. Dude, I should make it only unrated, and I'm going to tell you why. Because you guys are too good. And part of keeping your bullet rating is playing people your own rating. There's no way! There's no way. He had my queen. He had my queen, guys. Come to Papa. Come. It's a come to Papa moment. You have to come. You have to come with the kick drum. You're not gonna lose on time. SF. You have to play king. Ha! He disconnected. He disconnected. He really bailed. He really bailed. Oh no, he had a really bad accident connection, low lag, game abandoned. But it did say it was low. Oh yeah, not 960. Guys, unrated. Did I gain rating points for that? Yeah. No. It's gonna have to be unrated. It's gonna have to be unrated from now on. Okay? Unrated. On chess.com. You're taking rematches. I'm not doing rematches today, man. Well, you know what? At some point I will. 1 minute unrated. Tom. Ooh, 2004. There's no way. I thought he'd play C5 maybe. Wow, I'm not supposed to allow that? Okay, just break. Do this. Do this. Absolutely do that. And then here. Take it. I can't take it. Why? Oh, because I'd be in check. Just come back. Okay, it's a move. I'm in check. I have to move. Wow, interesting maneuvers. Wow, this guy's strong like a bull, guys. He's too strong. He's too strong! He's too strong! His tactics are so fast! I hung my thing. He's on my square, guys. He's on my square! Look at his time! Dude, like I have no chance. He moved so fast. Tom, dude, that gave me a flavor of what it feels like to be rated 2000. This is another 2000. Okay, now I know. Now I know what I have to do. Not drop pawns. This is horrible. Horrible. This might do something. It does. We take. Now he's like, I'm just going to flag him. That's what he's doing. That's what he's doing. Oh, I can't come here. Big mistake. Probably a mistake too. Now we go. Which one did it give me? This one's probably the best. Got him. Oh, dude. I'm not doing rematches right now, man. I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm gonna let more people play, and then I'll just start accepting. I'll start accepting every person. Did you see the difference though? Both those guys were rated 2,000, but the first game I had no chance. This game here, I was losing too. I was losing, man. But I got chances, and the moves were just there for me. If you haven't played me, send it. If we don't get enough challenge, oh, I got friend requests. Friend requests, take them. Onomaro and Jabe. We are now friends on chess.com. That means we help each other get better at chess. We take care of each other. Those are the rules. Heart attack. There's no one here. We're making coffee, guys. I'll take you with me, guys. Come with me to the coffee cam. What do I do? Do I just open it up to rematches? Pirate Yar, Thomas Beckett, how you doing, man? Heavy election. Oh God. Barbados from Pirates of the Caribbean. Do I look like a pirate from Pirates of the Caribbean? That's actually really cool. I never heard that before. Does he wear glasses though? I don't wear glasses. I wear glasses basically when I stream and when I read. These are reading glasses. People, I think, expect me to always have glasses on my face. If you see me out in the wild, no, I don't wear glasses. I can see far, great. Driving, great. Like, if I'm watching a YouTube video on these monitors and I'm sitting on that couch, I take these off because I can see perfectly. Oh, we got another friend request, man. Oh, you're gonna get the treatment. SJ Band. SJ Band. You have a band? I know a guy. I know the JC Band. Are you related to the SJ Band? Sean Jenkins Band? We're now friends, SJ Band. You know what that means? It means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. And come with me to the coffee cam. Dude, I drank too much coffee. I think I drank too much coffee, guys. No, you know what it was? It was those 2,000 rated guys. Everyone's adding me on chess.com, guys. I have so many friends. It's Sean Bendella from YouTube. Sean, cool, dude. Oh, yeah. There you go. Well played, Tom. Was that you? Yeah, good game, man. Good game. It just worked out for me. You know, the game before, that game was just like, I had no chance. Okay. I am going to, in furtherance, first off, this guy said you have good energy. This says message deleted by Charly Sardo Gaming. You deleted. I didn't know I deleted a message. Oh yeah, yeah. No. That was the guy that got banned. Yeah, I did delete a message. Someone said, someone said you have good energy, and you know what? Part of it's the coffee, but that makes me feel so good because I'm not trying to. What's happening here is I freaking love playing chess. I love playing viewers, and now we don't do rematches in the 3-minute version, which we do on Thursdays, but I'm going to open it up to rematches. So that way I can just click one. And then if I keep playing the same person over and over, maybe I'll try and take new names. I'm going to the pool right now because you guys are chilling. That's probably a good move. This is probably a bad move, but I'm doing it anyway because I'm keeping everything I own. That's a good move. This guy with the good moves. Got to bring another piece. Just bring another piece. Just bring another. Bring it. This is unprotected, but we're going to kick the knight. Losing a piece. Getting it back. This guy's too fast. He's too good. That was a check, but it's okay. Okay. What do you do? That cost me so much time. Go. This just loses. Take this way. His rook's a little bit out of play. Draw by repetition. Judge Ummings. Oh, he's not watching. He's not watching. I just saw a challenge. Now, one thing I think what's happening here, you guys are bullet players, right? And so you guys keep yeah, this guy definitely gets, is this the guy I beat? If this is, either way. Darn it! I know what to do. He gets the whole back row, guys. It's his back row. He gets the whole back. Yeah, he's smart. He's a good. Oh wow, this guy's way. Oh, I forgot I'm playing the 2000. I tried to take his rook, guys, but it didn't work. I tried to make an illegal move. Resign. Did I get the resign off? I did. I got the resign off. Good game, dude. You play good, man. You play. Hey, I had. Hey, Toasty Cheese It, how you doing? See now, I'm giving someone a chance. I'm taking it. I'm taking it, guys. I'm taking rematches because we want to keep it moving. We're here for one reason and one reason only: to try and defeat Jabe. I had such a good plan, but this was not the way to do it. Oh my God, I didn't see it. Get out of it. Get out of it. Oh! I'm going to resign. He's up 10 seconds on the clock, and I have nothing. Yeah. Can I play? Of course you can. There's a pinned comment. Challenge Rosewood telling. Try and make it unrated, though. 1 minute unrated. Okay, Falevo wants his unrated. Thank you, Falevo. Jabe, thank you for the games. I'll play you again later if no one accepts or no one challenges me. He's coming at me! I feel like he's coming at me, guys, like a spider monkey. Yeah, I should have done this first. You got to blockade the pawn. I'd show you the book, guys, but I can't. We got to get the initial square settled. Just defend this. And then we start playing chess. Just anything, dude. Good game. Good game. Falevo, good game. Good game. No, I can't challenge you, man. You got to figure out how to challenge me. It's in the pinned comment. Rosewood Telly. One word. Rosewood Telly. Zookeeper figured it out. 1 minute. It should be unrated. Zookeeper, make it unrated. Like Zookeeper, I'll challenge him because he challenged me. But it needs to be unrated. Rated. unrated. Here we go. Come on, move. He's gonna move! I felt like that was a check. Bring the Amigos Rook! Take the Amigos close! Dude, he didn't fall for it, bro. Good game, dude. Dude, I'm not making any insinuations. All I'm saying is that was a good game, dude. That was a good game. You played a good game, man. I mean, for 500, you played a very good game. Loopney, you're in. Let's go. Keeping it moving. You gotta move, brother. You gotta move, Loopney. It's hanging. I could have took it. It's hanging again. Just come back. Do I defend ding? No. I develop ping. 2 words. Spell it however you want to, guys. It doesn't matter. Okay. Take king. Take king with check. Okay. Here, I guess. Okay. This is to stop the check. Well. Dude! How did he even see that? Retin Ning. Cut. Ting. Good game, dude. 272? Dude, that's why it has to be unrated. You guys are insane. You could totally have won that game. Yeah. You're a... Dude, I feel like I need to ban it. I don't know if this guy's a bot or what. Okay, what do you do? I've been streaming for 5 years. Steinberger. Hey, Kenneth Matthew Borders, what's up? Robert Pritchard, how you guys doing, man? This guy Steinberger keeps coming into my YouTube vertical stream, and he says, I am a space-time engineer at Blue Origin and Princeton. I used to play chess as a teenager, and I love that. I'm like, awesome, dude. And then he comes in the next day and says it again like it copy and pasted it. Then he comes in again and says it again. Steinberger, if you're a real person, talk now. Otherwise, I'm going to ban you. It's pinned in the comment. What you're rating? Okay, wait. Zookeeper I've played. Genosa, 1 minute unrated. He gets it. Because I haven't played him yet. Keep sending the rematches. You guys almost got one. 1,700? There's no way! There's no way. Make him. Make him. Wow. Just come here. I dropped the piece! There's no way. I'm gonna get rid of this. What do you do? Castle's probably a good move. Develop the queen. And then come here. He can get a check. It doesn't do anything. It traps his queen. Take this. Okay, now we're not so bad. Bring a rook. Okay. Break this way, maybe? Maybe kick the knight. The knight comes. I was ready for that. Gotta move. Good game. Janelle said, give me a heart attack. Hey, Cammy Chess, thank you for the follow. And by you. Thank you for the follow on Twitch, man. The Twitch community is growing, guys. Next stop, 700. YouTube is going insane. YouTube's almost to 3,000. Of course, Facebook is floating around 21,000 like it's been doing for the last few years. Oh, this guy wants 1-1. Can't do it, brother. Is 1 minute unrated. Haven't played this guy yet. 2505? There's no way. It's 25. He's like, he's just like, he's giving away all his pieces. Yeah, I didn't see it. I can't even do that. Busted. I'm freaking busted. I'm so busted. I'm so busted. Why am I so busted? Because I made bad moves as a chess player. And just bring a rook. He's 2,500. Of course he's going to bring a rook. I resign. Guys, he used 21 seconds and I used 40 seconds. And I was being crushed. Dude, 2,500. How cool is this? Well, first off, how cool is Quex Peps? Quex Peps? Thank you. I'm going to play a 2,500 one more time, because how if you get to play a 2,500? God, so slow. That was like the game losing scenario right there. That was a game loser, guys. Does this? It's very dangerous. I don't know if it traps it though. It does. I think he had that. Okay. I gotta save it. This is not good. This is not good. This guy knows how to trap stuff, guys. He knows how to... Oh my God, the checkmate is inevitable! You stop it. Sending my queen to the pregame lobby where it belongs. Where it doesn't get to play chess. Didn't see it. He had mate. It doesn't matter. I'm not gonna laugh at him for it. He completely. Look at his clock. 36 seconds. Dude, that's the difference between 2,500 and 1,600 in bullet. I'm asking, what is your rating? Which rating, dude? And don't you have to type all caps? I might not see your comment. Maybe I didn't see it. Maybe now I'm not going to tell you my rating. Maybe I'm a grumpy old man. Yeah. Challenge me. My name's Rose Otelli on chess.com. Go on there and search it up. You should be playing Blitz, not Bullet. Why, Narlin? Why? Why? Oh, wow. Guys, the rules are simple in chat. Be nice to people. No politics, no religion. What's good? Kenneth Matthew Borders, how you doing, brother? Oh yeah, I saw that a minute ago, but he said, what's good? I just said, hey, what's up? Yeah, it's real easy, guys. It's real easy. Do I have like a million viewers right now? If any mods want to go to YouTube Vert and the banning is plentiful there. Okay? It's good banning. My mods love to ban people, guys. But they have to have good reason. They have to have good reason. Hey, Olga, I got 3 friend requests. There's no way. Janus, like, you played a good game, dude. Bobney and Goose X next. You guys, we're now friends on chess.com. You know what that means? We take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. And if you're saying, I know we get to play, you could be sending it right now. We could be playing. We could be playing. Camming chess. Where's send it? I think I'm trying to play you. I'm not that good. Fancy, it's okay. Bro, just play a game. Right. No, you're right. But I'm giving some people chances. J-Man's World. Okay, guys, we're going to play a game. I'm going to play a game, okay? Calm. I want to literally say, how do you... New 1 minute. Why won't it let me do new 1 minute? New game. Oh, it's because I'm set for unrated. I gotta... Yeah, no. Can I... How do you cancel? How does one cancel? I don't even know. Well, I know one way to do it. Close the Amigos window. Reopen the Amigos window. Now. Okay, I'm joining a game. I know. The viewers are getting restless. Oh, wait. 1 minute unrated. I gotta change it back to 1 minute rated. There we go. Now I can play from the pool. But you guys gotta send me challenges, man. If you want to play me, you gotta play me. I should have probably took with a knight. Just try to save my knight. I might have saved it. Bring a rook. Look at the bishops, dude. Look at the hoppers. They're horrifying. He moved? Oh, he comes. Okay, yeah, I have a problem, so we're gonna do this and solve my problem. He got out. I should have mated him. How? .9 seconds. Dude, Philanthos, that was a freaking nail biter. Good game. Ro KR says Charlie plays everything. Blitz, Bullet Rapid. He just loves chess. That's exactly right, Ro. How you doing, Ro? I'm looking at your profile pic. Ro, you're a cool dude, man. Ben Arnold says, I missed the tournament, unfortunately. I'll make it this week. Cool, Ben. J-Man's World, 5 minute. Rated 250, brother. If 1 minute's too fast, I get it because you're lower rated. But I just added me as a friend. Let me get you out of there. Camila and Trollo Conch. Got you guys. Some of these 1 minute Camila unrated. Send it unrated. It needs to be unrated. You guys are too good. I've already played some rated today. If I play constantly people rated 1,000, I'm gonna lose like a lot of rating points. You know what I'm saying? Can we play? Yeah, you got to send it. It's in a pinned comment. Challenge Rosa would tell you. You're a Trollo Conch. Cool. Send it. Send it. I'm going to join a game. I don't even care. All right. No. Dude, I joined this freaking game too fast. The challenges came too slow. I'm sorry. I wanted to play Ben. Ben, I'll look for you. Huh? It all burns like fire. It all just burns like fire. It burns like actual fire. I'm talking like real fire. There's actual fire. That's what I feel. I feel fire. It burns like fire. Well, I kind of wanted that spot for my rook, but... Yeah. Offering to lose a piece. Just come back. You're freaking horrible at chess. He got me on time! Dude, 1659. Steph Joe. Good game. Someone send it. Ro says you're doing good, man. Good to be back. Love your channel. Dude, it's good to have you back, Ro. Hi, you want to play me? Send it. Prolux. You just got to send it. Okay. Cammy got me 1 minute unrated. Cammy gets it. I'm so sorry. And Ben, I don't know if Ben already bailed, but I was trying to click on Ben, but I already went to the pool. Still moving, guys. Take. This bishop is so brutal. That was a good game, Cammy. Cammy, I got you, Ben. I'm looking for Ben. I'm looking for it. Are you? Benjamin, guys, rated 520. Cammy, great game. Cammy, it's funny. Do you do that like to gain time? You make all those horrible bad moves? Is that a thing? it's amazing that Cammy can be, was that Cammy? That can be 1,700 and play intentional, horrible moves. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. It's literally insane. This is Ben, guys. This is Ben. He's rated 500. Yeah. But yet you're 17. You were 1,600, 1,700. That was that the I'm not Cammy, maybe I'm not talking to you. I'm talking about the person that played last, that just pushed all those pawns and weakened your king and didn't really develop and all that stuff. That person. That it's crazy. But you know what? I'm 1,700 and I played Latvian Gambit. So I play horrible moves too. Just those, that's a lot of horrible moves, man. That's a lot of horrible moves for one person to take or make, you know what I'm saying? If it really throws me off, okay, but if I actually played a bad move too. I mean, obviously it's bullet chess. You know what I mean? It's my opening, and you're Cammy. That's insane. So check out Cammy, guys. This is Mr. Lucky. We are now friends on chess.com. You know what that means, right? So I'm not going to repeat it. It means we take care of each other. We help each other get better at chess. Cammy's rating is 1712. But this just shows you how tactics matter more than rating. Okay? It shows you how tactics matter more than rating. Because this is Cammy said that's my opening. And if Cammy can be 1,700 and do this, then Cammy is a really good chess player. Sabine, how you doing? Yeah. No, I see it. I see it, man. I see it. I believe that you might get something going. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you know it. If you know those positions, it's like my Latvian Gambit, which is clearly not playing good chess. Janusa, I think I played him once. I'm playing him again, guys. We're taking rematches today. 1,700, folks. We are now friends on chess.com, though. Is this our first game? Is this our first game as friends on chess.com? I think this is our first game as friends on chess.com. The friendship vibes are working, folks. I don't want this. I want this. Ouch. Anything? Gotta move. He wants my pawn so bad, guys. He wants it so. Oh, I already unprotected it. This is really bad because I spent all the time. I spent all the time in the world, in the Amigos world. I played horribly by you're too slow, Ben. The lower rated you are, the harder it is. Sorry for misspelling your name again. No way, Sabine. You never apologize to me. You are a great part of the community. Well, I can't send you call. I don't know, Mr. Lucky. I don't know. If anything, it kind of looks like Bobby. How can a person look like a show? You look like Sons of Anarchy. I'll tell you something funny about Sons of Anarchy LA series. I grew up in a little biker town called Tahunga, California. It's so funny that you said this. And guess where they filmed Sons of Anarchy? Hey, Mr. Lucky, I got you, brother. Unrated, though. Claude, I'm taking Claude. I'm taking Claude because he's playing unrated. Mr. Lucky, I saw your challenge, but it has to be unrated. I grew up in Tonga, California, exactly where they filmed Sons of Anarchy. He tried to trick folks. Defending! I could take the bishop. Yeah, he's like, I'm not taking it. And castles is a great move. Yeah, see, I had that, I had this square too with check. Oh, I could have took with a knight. Claude, you're playing good, dude. Okay, bring this. Bring this. Dude, you literally nailed it. You nailed it. You nailed Sons of Anarchy. Although, to be honest with you, what you know as Sons of Anarchy is not necessarily... what they look like isn't exactly what everyone in Tahunga looked like. Claude, you, for a 442, played a really good game, Claude. Thank you. Mr. Lucky, I'm looking for you, but I'm not going to wait. You got to send it. Isn't that funny? I literally grew up in Tahunga. I could play Cammy again, but I want to see if Mr. Lucky pops. Mr. Lucky, he wants it. Unrated, yes. Yeah. Unrated. I didn't say that in a pinned comment because I wasn't going to worry about unrated. And then I realized I'll dump 150 points playing, though, as good as you guys play. You guys can win games. You can win games. I'm not Hikaru. Yomeo, send it. Can I play against you? Send it. Pin comment. Rosewood Telly. Rosewood Telly. ROSEWOODTELE. Send me 1 minute unrated. I have one challenge against Cammy. I want to take it. I want to take it. I want to see his opening again, guys. You're 550. I think I can beat you. Yomayo, you 1,000,000%. You can beat me. Although when people talk like that, sometimes funny things happen, right? Yeah. True story. I once never dated any of the cast of Sons of Anarchy. Are you? You never... Sure, I understand. Janusa. Oh, yeah, you guys are sending me, I don't play daily. Okay. I'm sorry, Mr. Lucky. I didn't see it. I didn't see your challenge. I didn't see your challenge. Then we go this way, I think, right? Right? It's a move. I think we go like, oh my God. Wrong look! The rook was wrong. Why would I move such a rook? Okay, this square, just defend it. Now he's moving real fast, guys. Dude, I actually blundered there. I blundered there, but I was up on so much time. Yeah. I don't play much bullet. Just say I had a chance to play you. It's been a while. Yeah, Claude, good to see you, man. Hope all is well in your life. Oh, man. I count you because I already sent a lot of calls. Mr. Lucky, you're just going to have to wait. I can't keep hunting people down, man. I got you now, Mr. Lucky. I got you now. You're in, Mr. Lucky. Let's go. Play well, my friend. Good game, Mr. Lucky. And I was developing. That was not cheese. You made my queen go there. I did not play for a scholar's mate. You made my queen go there. And I didn't move my bishop twice. I simply developed it. So I'm not going to call myself a cheeser. Lucky gets... Oh, wait. Okay, making salmon. I tried to get you Lucky, but you know what happens? New people challenge, and the challenge moves. And then I end up clicking on the wrong one. If it was like for your life, or for any life, it'd be really, really bad. Okay, that's probably a move. Just take it. Just cast. Ah! I thought I was defending it! I feel bad for making salmon. He had me. It doesn't have a square, really? Tempo. He wants my pawn! Take 7th rank. That pawn's worth nothing. Good game. Making salmon. Rated 100. He had my queen. Rose says, Charlie, I remember a while back you were nearly, but not quite 2,000 FIDE rated. Not exactly. I'll explain that more because that's not quite the deal. For regular chess lovers, what is the percentage of chess players that you most likely better than 2,000 FIDE? Just curious. I was 1994 USCF, United States Chess Federation, which is 6 points shy of being an expert, your first title at 2,000. I was not FIDE. And USCF ratings are about 100 points lower than FIDE. So I was more, I can look at you with a clear face and say my rating was probably more like 1894 FIDE. Close to that. If I joined a FIDE rated tournament, they would put me in, they'd say, what's your national rating? USCF, I'd say, at the time, 1994, they'd say, okay, we're going to put you in the tournament at 1894 as an estimated FIDE rating. You understand what I'm saying? This is not good. Hit the queen. That's probably pretty good. He's moving slow. I'm moving slow too. He's 135. What country? Netherlands. He wants to trade queens. I'll bring a rook to the middle of the board. He looks at squares. That could be a threat. I'm just going to come back and defend it. There we go. Everything's okay. Air tank. Air tank! Oh, wow. Bishops move backwards. The lesson for the day, folks. The bishops move backwards in a backward motion. He's just... Guys, he's rated 135. You're doing great. This is not a good way for you to get better at chess or for me to help you with any chess, because at 100 rating, it's just hard. It's just hard to compete with somebody that much higher rated than you. You know what I'm saying? Wow. Go back to the pregame lobby. Where you belong. Not you. Your king. I was talking to your king. I would never say that against a superior, I mean, someone lower rated. Making 7, you were just throwing pieces around. Dude, that's what you have to do in Bullet. Well, confusing your opponent is always a play. You're Andrew Raft. I'll look for you. Unrated. Yeah, I'll look for you. I don't have any right now. Sometimes it's chess.com. I'm going to grab my water, guys. 1 second. Guys, don't forget to hit the like, follow, comment, and subscribe buttons. 1 minute unrated. Got one, guys. 777 coming out of the sky. Gonna take them on up. Bob Seeger. Anyone? Danny Krimis. Danny, get to your board. You're going to abort. No! Dude. Just in time. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He didn't want it, guys. He didn't want it! Do we take on Passant? I don't think we do. I kind of like this bishop here. Okay. He's trying to force me, guys. He's trying to force me to develop my pieces. Effectively. Okay, maybe back here. Okay, maybe here. Okay, maybe here. You gotta check! This is bad! Let's get my pawn. Good game. Oh, man. 777. You play good. Rose said, okay, so let's say 1,800 estimated FIDE. What percentile does that put someone in as far against the overall chess players in the world? Well, it would be more like closer to 1,900 FIDE, right? You might not know the answer, but I was just curious. Dude, I'll look it up right now. I'm going to look it up right now. Because it would be 1894 FIDE, so that's like 1,900, okay? No, I'll ask exact. I'm going to ask the expensive, I pay for ChatGPT, guys, for extended thinking and unlimited freaking access. I could send 100 pictures, it'll analyze them all. What percentile would a 1894 FIDE be in the world? It's a little bit bragging because it just seems like much more drastic than it really is. Like, yeah, I'm better than most people that play chess. Actually, I'm probably a lot better than most people who play chess. That means nothing to me. I get nothing from that. All I got to do, Ro, is go down to the Austin Chess Club. And yeah, there's going to be a whole bunch of guys that are lower rated than me. And there's going to be a whole bunch that are higher rated than me. You know what I'm saying? It's thinking hard, man. It's thinking hard. Do we play a game or we get the... Let's get the answer. Let's get the answer. The answer is... It says writing code. Oh my God. I think it's literally doing the math. I think it's... Yeah. We're going to play a game. We're going to play a game because it's literally making a formula. Amiri, I don't think I played you yet today. Amiri, play well, my friend. I keep hitting that wrong. He takes with the queen, huh? Okay. Good move. Good move. He had another fork, but I'm just going to take this, cut him off, and win. Good game. Woo! Amiri, that was... wait, it's just Amir. Yeah. Wow, Charlie, didn't expect you actually look it up. I do appreciate that. No, it's fun, but like I say... Okay, no. Okay, 1894 FIDE is about 23% active FIDE in the 77th percentile. Does that mean I'm in the bottom 20? But those are FIDE rated people. That's not chess players. Mean you'd be higher rated than about 3 out of 4 active FIDE players. Isn't that crazy? 3 out of 4 FIDE rated players. But what about any rated player including chess.com and lead chess? Okay, so yeah, it's say I'm in the top 23%, but again, it's not a flex. It's not a flex at all because I don't care about that. I care about getting better at chess. I think we got Ben jamming again, folks. Great supporter of the stream. Ben Arnold in chat. Yeah. He's lulling me into moving slow because dude, it's so hard to move fast. Like the pre-moves and stuff, it's stuff you just... And I'm not good at it. I'm just better than you, Ben. Sorry. Oh, okay, wait. I beat someone with this yesterday. You lost a piece there by playing knight because you have to play bishop takes and the knight moves backwards. The knight moves backward, folks. Opening up the king for further examination. He's putting his pieces on checkmate squares. And he slipped. He mouse slipped. No, man. He mouse slipped. I guess we go here. Wow. That was rough. Yeah. I didn't even realize that was going to happen, man. And that, yeah, okay, now I go where? I take here, I guess? And now we take this one. Or do we go after the king? Well, it's a queen, right? Good game, Ben. Guys, Ben's rated 500. Good game, dude. He's my friend. I still try, but I can't enjoy... but I just can't still enjoy watching. No, thank you, Sabine. Okay. For 1894 FIDE strength, including chess.com league chess rated players, I'd call it roughly 98th to 99 percentile overall. Meaning you're probably stronger than 98 or 99 out of every 100 online players. Why I jump so much for FIDE only estimate? Yeah, FIDE is like the most serious rating you can have, right? I can't believe... Charlie the Desync. I can't believe that I'm in the top 25% of FIDE rated players. I thought I'd be like bottom 25%. But it just shows you how... It really doesn't show you anything. Because I'm not trying to be the top of anything. I'm trying to get better at chess. You know what I'm saying? He's using his brain and his mind. Charlie the Desync is rated 404. Like an error. Error 404. Can I come here? It's probably dumb. Why is it dumb? I don't know. But I just really didn't want... Okay, take this. Pushes. Can I stay on it? I don't know if I can stay on it, guys. I could be in trouble! He comes with the kick drum! I didn't see the kick drum, guys. I didn't see the... I gotta move my king. Charlie, Desync 404 is gonna mate me, guys. I'm getting checkmated by a guy named Desync404.com. Get out of the checks. Dude. That was horrifying. He was trying to beat me on time. You were just throwing... Yeah. You sent a few challenges. Yeah. I got you, Charlie. I got you. Good game, man. Good game. Dude. You were really smart. Oh! This guy's name is Sourab. Sour? Guys, he's rated 2,100 chess.com rating points. The most worthless form of digital currency on the internet, folks. Take it. There we go. And I mean that for myself, too, not just for him. Just go, man. Probably a good move. There's no way! I'm just losing. I'm gonna resign because he's higher rated and he deserves it, and time's about even. I'm just gonna give him a little bit of respect because he won that game. You never play Bullet. That's why it's such a low elo. Ah, Charlie, cool. And I play with, yeah, as long as it's unrated, I don't care. You were doing good, but once I had like 10 seconds. Yeah, right. That's what you do sometimes in Bullet. So yeah, there we go. Thank you for the question, Ro. And again, that's something that it's kind of fun to look up, but it's kind of it's a weird little flex thing that I'm not trying to do too much of. It feels good to know that you should know your level, though. You know what I'm saying? I think this one. You put my rook in a weird spot. Just come back, I guess. Hit the queen, I guess. I kind of gave him an umbrella, though. Oh, wow. He didn't want the umbrella. Good game. Woo! Give me enough chances, I could take out a 2100. I was down 2 seconds on the clock. Would 1-1 be okay? My net is a bit slow today. Josh, I'd rather not. But if that's my Josh, I'm going to say I'd rather not, because then I feel like everyone's got to do it. I think you understand, right, Josh? Yeah, you're proud of the game. Yeah, no, you played a good game, Charlie. You played a good game. I'm going to play the 2100 we just played, and this is for the World Championship. Because we're 1-1. He didn't fall for it! He didn't fall for it, guys. You gotta know the line. He didn't fall for it. Coming for my stuff. Okay. I dropped a piece, guys. I dropped a piece. Wow. And now I'm like... Now I'm trading queens down a piece. So bad. So... Resign. Resign. You're the world champion. Sour, you were the world champion. You beat me 2 out of 3. Yeah, I understand not flexing. Yeah. No, yeah, absolutely. Like I say, it's important to know your place in anything you do. Ratings are awesome that way. It lets you know if you're improving. You know what I'm saying? It lets you know, am I good at this? Comparing to other people. But it's important to know that if you're What if I was in the top, like I was at the bottom of that? What if I was 95 out of 100 chess players were better than me? Do you think I would not play chess? I don't think I would. I love chess. Hey, look at all the friend requests. Dude, is this practiциngsafechess.com to add all these friends? Amir, well, he's cool, dude, so I'm taking him. Jantex, chess in his name, taking him. Amir's GF, you have GF? That's freaking awesome. Andrew Raff, you got you. And, dude, how come there's... Okay, someone tell me something. Someone in my chat tell me, why are there so many people named Amir? Is it the same guy as 5 accounts? Is it the same guy with 5 accounts? Yeah, see, like right now, Charly Desync is trying to challenge me 1-1, and because he heard us even talking about it. Yeah, can't allow that. What am I gonna eat for dinner? I have pasta left over, guys. I think I'm gonna eat it. The meat sauce, lots of meat, dude. I'm doing great. I'm doing great in this position, guys. Yeah, it's -2. It's -2. But and I'm up 6 seconds on the clock, but that means nothing. I mean, I'd rather be winning with a 6-second advantage against a 2100 than not be. That is a good thing, but we have to be honest. Part of rating is what happens when a game is over. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, why am I getting so many Amirs? Does Amir have 25 accounts? Yeah, but there were like 4 or 5 different Amirs all at the same time. Jantex gets it. 1 minute unrated. Jantex, play well, my friend. This is, yeah, Jantex Chess. I don't know what it means. Jantex, is that your name? Jantex? January, Texas? Texas in January? It can be cold. But stick around. You never know. Yeah, just never know. That looked like maybe a pretty good move. Okay, come to Papa. Dude, that was like probably a really good move. Is my knight trapped? No, I think it gets out. It gets out. Dude, this is a real chess game, guys. He's rated 560. What's with the... You play really good for 560, man. I'm telling you, you could still win this game. No, actually, no, you can't. But good game. Jantex Chess, dude. Where are you from, brother? Syria. Wow. Guys, I have a friend in Syria. I love the international flair. Okay, I just accepted 5 Amirs. I remember I said, is this like safe to keep adding all these friends? Especially when they look spammy like everyone's name is Amir. I'm a robot, maybe. You might be. Okay, guys, I need 1 second to hit the thing. I'll be right back. We're going to play more bullet chess. I love to hear the challenges popping, folks. We're back in a game. against the 1700 who has a custom opening. Oh, this. Oh no, it was Cam with the custom opening. Why would I do this? Oh, good thing my rook got away. I didn't even realize that was happening. Wow, move! Why would you do that to your own kid, your own knight? Why would I do that to my own knight? I'm a bad chess player. The tables have turned. Oh, I had a chance. And he beat me on time. Good game, Janusa. Good game, good game, good game. Greek! Greek with 100 bits. Greek, thank you with the bits, dude. 12 minutes ago? Did that not make a noise? I freaked out when I heard it and didn't know what it was. Did you ask Cam what the pawn opening is called? I bet it has a funny name. Cam, what do you... since it's your own opening, what do you call it? What do you call it? Just getting started. Hi, Charly. How are you? Insane that bullet gaming. I can't do it. I really can't. Slow brain cells or something. No, if you had someone your exact rating, you could do it. You could do it. You could win a game. You could win a game. I'm going to give Charly another opportunity, folks. Back to your home where you belong. Wow. I guess we go... We just give up the pawn. Okay, well now I can save this. I think rook takes rook was better. Yeah, rook takes... I think I had rook takes rook, guys, huh? On this move, I think I had rook takes a rook. And then I can do this to save. And how does he stop it? He has to play knight back, I think. And then I take the queen. Oh, queen g7 check. Yeah. And then knight back. Bishop h6 check. Okay. Oh, and rook takes. Hey, man. He's not getting made anymore. Good game, dude. Dude, bullet is insane. You forgot how the bishops was covering that. Yeah, it happened. Dude, it's a bullet game, man. You made a mistake. Yeah, so I don't see Cam. Cam might not still be here. Cam with the K. Cam with the K. We got new friends on chess.com, guys. Guys, if you guys like chess, I stream chess Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time, Texas time. Ooh, this guy's name is The Best Player. I like the attitude. I like your attitude, Matt. So you definitely want to get involved. We have a tournament every Wednesday. A weekly tournament, and it's like we're almost at tournament number 60 right now. So we've been doing it every week for like 5 years. And that's going to be Wednesday. We're going to have a tournament. You can come play. That's a 10-minute with a 5-second increment tournament. 5 rounds. 5 rounds. We do it every week. Every week. Yeah. So you definitely want to get involved. Definitely want to hit the follow button, the like button, all the buttons, guys. You definitely want to hit the buttons. Running so late. Hey, Rob Mitchell, welcome back, dude. You might have to watch the replay, brother, because I think I'm going to wrap it up. But Twitch, stay with me, because Twitch is going to get a bonus game, and then we're going to make a raid. YouTube, you know I love you, but there's no raids. So we got to do the raid from Twitch. Facebook, you know I love you, but they're taking away the raids. Facebook, look at all the people on Facebook. Dude, with that many people on Facebook, I feel like I need to keep playing. Because Facebook is falling off a little bit. Are you watching on Facebook and you used to watch me all the time and Facebook finally reached out to you? I'm gonna keep playing. I'm gonna keep playing. I'm gonna play this guy. Oh no, is this a 3-minute game? I'm gonna abort. I'm sorry, Murat, but this is 1 minute only. 1 minute only. Yeah. You find it hard to actually do bullet. I find rapid pretty easy, but trying to do the math, if it takes... No, if you just play people your own rating... Andrew Raft, I got you, brother. I think we became friends, but I don't think... He's rated 424. Chess.com. Rating point alones. And he's coming at me like a spider monkey. He realized he couldn't play the move. He goes to the weak king side. That tells me we have a plan. We have a built-in plan. It's going to involve this, moving the knight, and coming in and checkmating. We're going to attack the rook. I'm going to bring another attacker. If he pushes, I'm going to come here. Now, I'm threatening checkmate. Good game. Guys, Andrew, thank you for the game, guys. Lithuania, dude. Okay. What do we got here? How do you like my Catalan setup? Dude, I don't remember your Catalan setup. I'm sorry. Send me a challenge. I have sent too many challenges. Atticus. Dude, it's funny because I never saw your challenge, brother. But yeah. 1000%. You say, how come you're... wait, no, I'm trying to copy and paste that. You're saying, why will you challenge Atticus, but you won't challenge me? Well, Atticus is my friend. Atticus is going to play Elden Ring with me tonight till freaking midnight and beyond. Challenge. But I'm only going to play him. It's got to be 1 minute. He wanted 1-1 because he says his internet's acting up, but I'm going to keep him. I'm going to keep him in the same time control everyone else plays. To make it fair. I sent it, Atticus. Play well, my friend. Okay. That doesn't work. Maybe develop a piece. That's probably a good move. No! Dude, I was up a piece and now I'm not. Attacking my stuff. He's attacking my stuff. Oh, now he wants to trade queens. Dude, back and forth with this malarkey, right? How many moves did he pre-move? Dude. I love you, Josh. Oh my God, that was so much fun. Again, hey, liking the music. Derpy, thank you. Derpy, you know this is my music, right? This is me playing guitar. I recorded this 5 years ago. It's a 16-minute loop of about four songs? I think 4 different songs. And I played the guitar on this, man. Yeah. This one's called Chiller's Blues. This is Chiller's Blues. The best player, my new friend on chess.com. Best player you're in. Oh my God, I wanted to go eat dinner, but guess what? I'm having too much fun. Guys, you got to hit the like button, follow, sub, all that stuff. If you want to get involved here at Charly Sardo Gaming. That was, I mean, I wasn't actually trying to do that, but that's what ended up happening. I had it before, I think, guys. This is a pattern you're supposed to see. I'm supposed to know this. Yeah. In this position, I had the queen mate, but it's 1 minute and you gotta go. Guys, that's the best player, and he's rated 170 on chess.com. Good game, dude, and I love your name, and you will be the best player. You were the best player. Talk while playing. Adon, talk while playing 1 minute? No. If you want to hear me talk a little bit more, then you want to come for the tournament on Wednesday. And I have a better chance to say something in the 3 minute. But these guys are tough. I got news for you. I got a bunch of messages. Hi, I can't send you a challenge. I'm sorry, I can't control chess.com. And then Amir, me, please me, Rapid or Bullet. There's like the 3 Amirs. What do you just keep making new accounts, Amir? How do you even do that? How do you spam chess.com accounts? I thought that it's hard to do that. Oh, watch. Is Facebook's chat acting up? I'm gonna double check it, guys. I'm gonna double check it because the last comment was from Bill Stevens and that was probably like 10 minutes ago. No, nope. All right, guys. All right, now here's where we get lucky and start having fun. I need to eat dinner. Okay. I'm having a heart attack from playing you guys because you're so good. If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring and other games after dark. I'll be live at 8 p.m. for a gaming stream. Today's Monday, right? Yeah. And if you like chess, hit the like button, follow, subscribe, hit all the freaking buttons, right, guys? You guys know the buttons. And then I'm going to play a bonus game on Twitch because I need to raid people. Because people raid me, I raid people. It's how it works. Facebook's dropping raids, no raids on YouTube. So YouTube, I freaking love you. Hit the subscribe button, YouTube. Love you. Okay, that was YouTube.